Have you ever wondered which exchange-traded fund, or ETF, reigns supreme over the S&P 500, QQQ, or SCHG? This question stirs the minds of many investors. Let's break it down. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product. They hold assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and are designed to track the performance of a specific index. They're a crucial part of any savvy investor's portfolio. Now, let's meet our contenders. In one corner we have QQQ, an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, known for its heavy tech weighting. And in the other corner we have SCHG, an ETF that follows the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Growth Total Stock Market Index, capturing a broad spectrum of growth stocks. Both are heavyweight champions in their own right, each with a unique approach to conquering the market. So let's dive deep into the world of QQQ and SCHG and see who comes out on top. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up in the ring, we have QQQ. Also known as the Invesco QQQ ETF, this heavyweight's name gets tossed around quite a bit in the investment world. But what exactly is it? Simply put, QQQ is an exchange-traded fund that aims to replicate the performance of the NASDAQ 100 index, a collection of the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ. Now, the composition of QQQ is what sets it apart. It's heavy on technology, with around 50% of its holdings in the tech sector. Big names like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are all part of the mix, making QQQ a tech lover's dream. But it's not all about tech. Consumer discretionary and healthcare sectors also make up a significant portion of QQQ, adding some diversity to its portfolio. Over the years, QQQ's performance has been nothing short of impressive. It has consistently outperformed the S&P 500, thanks to the meteoric rise of the tech sector. But as we all know, past performance is not indicative of future results. So, while QQQ's track record is commendable, it's essential to consider the risks as well. The ETF's tech-heavy focus can be a double-edged sword, leading to volatility in times of market uncertainty. As for management, QQQ is managed by Invesco, a global investment manager with a reputation for delivering an investment experience that helps people get more out of life. Their expertise is a plus for QQQ, ensuring the ETF is in capable hands. In terms of market reputation, QQQ is often seen as a reliable option for exposure to the innovation and growth potential of the tech sector. However, critics argue that its lack of diversification can be a downside, especially for those seeking a balanced portfolio. With its tech-heavy portfolio, QQQ surely presents a strong case. It's a pick for those who believe in the power of technology and are willing to ride the waves of market volatility. But is it the undisputed king of growth over the S&P 500? We'll see as we continue to unravel this ETF showdown. Next, we have the contender, SCHG. Stepping into the ring, we find the Schwab U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF, affectionately known by its ticker symbol, SCHG. This exchange-traded fund is a heavyweight in its own right. It seeks to track the performance of the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Growth Total Stock Market Index, a mouthful of a name that essentially means it's made up of a wide array of large U.S. companies that are projected to grow at an above-average rate relative to other market-listed companies. Now, let's peel back the layers of this ETF. SCHG is composed of approximately 230 individual securities. These are primarily blue-chip companies, those industry leaders with a history of stable earnings, solid reputations, and often regular dividends. We're talking about giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. These titans of industry are known for their resilience and growth potential, making them a robust foundation for any investment portfolio. Over the past decade, SCHG has put on a solid performance. It's seen an average annual return of approximately 10%, a figure that could make any investor's heart flutter. But as with any investment, SCHG comes with its own set of risks. It's heavily weighted toward the tech sector, meaning it's more susceptible to market fluctuations in that area. And while it boasts a low expense ratio, it's not the lowest on the market. The management of SCHG is handled by Charles Schwab Investment Management, a well-respected name in the world of finance. They're known for their commitment to transparency and their client-centric approach, both of which are reflected in the management of SCHG. In the court of public opinion, SCHG holds its own. It's seen as a reliable, growth-oriented ETF, one that offers a stable investment in the large-cap sector. It's not without its critics, of course. Some investors wish for a more aggressive growth strategy, while others prefer a more sector-diversified approach. SCHG, with its diversified growth-oriented portfolio, is not to be underestimated. This ETF, with its strong performance history and dependable management, certainly deserves its place in this face-off. But as we all know, it's not just about where you've been, but where you're going. So, let's see how SCHG stacks up in the head-to-head comparison. Now that we know our contenders, it's time for the face-off. The Invesco QQQ Trust Series 1 and the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, two giants in the ETF world, each with its unique strengths and strategies. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty and see how they match up. Let's kick off with performance. Over the past decade, both ETFs have delivered impressive returns. QQQ, with its heavy emphasis on tech stocks, has led the charge during the technology boom, while SCHG, with its diversified approach, has offered stability amidst market volatility. However, past performance is not indicative of future results, and the shifting economic landscape could play a crucial role in determining the future winner. On to risks and returns. Both ETFs aim to provide growth, but they approach risk differently. QQQ leans towards high growth, high-risk tech companies, which can lead to higher returns but also greater volatility. On the other hand, SCHG's broad sector allocation reduces sector-specific risks, offering a smoother ride for risk-averse investors. Analyzing their track records, QQQ has a longer history, established in 1999, while SCHG was launched a decade later. QQQ's longer track record gives it an advantage in terms of historical data and performance analysis. However, SCHG has proven its mettle in a shorter span, demonstrating strong performance and growth. Looking at sector allocations, QQQ heavily favors the technology sector, with more than half of its portfolio dedicated to tech stocks. SCHG, meanwhile, maintains a more balanced portfolio with a spread across various sectors like healthcare, consumer discretionary, and industrials. This diversified approach can provide protection against sector-specific downturns. Now let's peek into their top holdings. QQQ's top holdings are a who's who of tech giants: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and the likes. These companies have been the primary drivers of QQQ's stellar performance. SCHG's top holdings, while also including tech heavyweights, feature a more varied mix of companies, reflecting its diversified strategy. Potential scenarios where one might outperform the other. If the tech sector continues to outpace other sectors, QQQ could continue its winning streak. However, if we see a shift towards value stocks or a downturn in the tech sector, SCHG's diversified approach could see it pull ahead. As we can see, choosing between QQQ and SCHG is not as straightforward as it seems. Each ETF has its distinct advantages and potential pitfalls. The choice ultimately comes down to your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market outlook. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a diversified growth seeker, whether you're in for the long haul or short-term gains, the choice between QQQ and SCHG is a fascinating one, sure to keep investors on their toes. So, which ETF should you choose? It's a question that can't be answered with a simple name drop. It's a decision that's deeply tied to your personal investment goals, your tolerance for risk, and your outlook on the market. If you're aiming for aggressive growth and comfortable with high volatility, you might lean towards one option. On the other hand, if you're seeking steady growth and prefer a more balanced portfolio, your choice might differ. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The financial market is a complex, ever-changing landscape, and navigating it successfully requires a clear understanding of your unique investment strategy. Your choice between QQQ and SCHG isn't about which is universally better, it's about which is better for you, for your goals, your risk profile, and your view on the market's future. In the end, the choice between QQQ and SCHG comes down to you and your unique investment strategy. As the bell rings on this battle of the ETFs, we hope you've gained some valuable insights. Today we've delved into the dynamics of QQQ and SCHG, two growth-oriented ETFs, each with its unique strengths and strategies. We've peeled back the layers of these funds, examining their performance, holdings, and sector allocations. We've seen how they stack up against each other and the broader S&P 500. As we continue on this investment journey, we'll be exploring more such intriguing topics. We'll cover strategies to optimize your portfolio, delve into the nuances of different asset classes, and even tease apart the secrets of the world's most successful investors. So, gear up for some more finance fun. And remember, every bit of knowledge is a step towards making smarter investment decisions. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing wisely.